Hi, this is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards becoming a full-time bookkeeper and also the knowledge that I have so that I can help you, those business owners out there that cannot afford to pay a bookkeeper at this time, and you have to resort to doing your own books. At least you're not lost once you're using QuickBooks Online currently, because that's what I am using. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's go into my screen.
So today I'm going to show you how to create a customer in QuickBooks Online. So how you can add your customers if you have a list of customers, or if you have that individual customer just to add. So you sign into your QuickBooks Online account and you come down to the Sales tab and Customers. Or I could have just clicked on the Sales. So let's see once it loads. Okay, good. And so when you get into the customer dashboard, you can either click on this drop down arrow and import customers. So you're going to click on that. And then it will, I don't know why this is still here. Okay, good. And then you can either upload a CSV file or an Excel file and to add your customers to your dashboard. That's the one that you have a whole list. So you created this list in Excel and you wanted to add it to QuickBooks. You can do it here. You just click browse and then you click next. It's going to show you all your customers. They don't have a file to upload right now. And if you want a sample to show you how to set up your customer list, you just download this sample. And so let's download this sample. I'll download the sample and then I'll re-upload the sample to show you how to. Let me just move my. Okay, so that's downloaded. Let me click on browse. Put me back here in this corner. Okay, so browse, downloads. I don't know why the computer is behaving like this. Okay, good. And then I double click on that. And then I click next. And then it will show me the whole list. Let me move me over here for now. It's moving so slow. I'm trying a new application, as you can see. Okay, good. So, right, so you can scroll down. You make sure that all the tabs that you have in that Excel file is, all of them are green. And then you click next. And then when you come into this part here, let me move me up a little bit more. I'm moving all the time. Right, so when you come into this screen, you make sure that no boxes are highlighted in red. If they were highlighted in red, you just make the necessary adjustment, because if it has red, it means that it's an error. And then you click import. So you found some problems and couldn't import all your data. It's the highlighted fields. This one says all data. So this one doesn't have, so I would just click off that and then import. And because I clicked it off, it didn't add that one. Okay, and then you can scroll down and see all your customers here, or you can type in, say Dylan is right there. So I'm going to type him in, and then you can also click on him to pull up his account. I'm not going to click on him now because I'm going to show you the other way that you can import your customers. Moving me back. Good. Right, so where did I go? So you come up here now. If another way that you can import like one customer, you click on new customer. I actually have a made up customer. Feel like a toy, right? So my made up company for the customer is LKA. And what did we guess it to be? Bottles. We do have a first name. So I have Sam. Her last name is Sam. Bottle owns LKA Bottles. Sam Bottle. And then, so for the display name for all his invoices is going to be going to LKA Bottles. That's a name that I want to show and that he wants to show on his invoices or sales receipts. Let me put in his email. Obviously, all of this is made up. So his email is sam at lkabottle.com. Phone number, let's just make up something here, 555-123-4589. And then his address, we're going to put it as 895. I actually wrote down this one though. Barbados Way, and his city is Jumping. Apparently the people in that city probably like a lot of jumping. Zip code is 98512, and the country, I'm going to put it as USA. But obviously you put in the person's correct address. If you have any notes to add, you put it in here. If you have tax information, you put it in here. So if it's not taxable, you click that off. Payment information, but the reason why this has California here is obviously because he this company is actually in California. Well, this company is set up for California taxes, so that's why they will have default as California accent. Payment and billing information. So if you have certain terms for him, that if he's supposed to pay you in 15 days or 30 days or 60 days, you will put that there. The preferred method of payment that he will normally pay you as, if he only pays you by credit card, American Express or MasterCard, you put that in there. The language that the invoices is going to go to him in. Any attachments that you have to add to his file, and additional info is the customer type, and you will put you choose whatever customer type, what type of business he is. So I'm not going to add any information. I'm just going to click save, and we have created LKA bottle. So I can also now, when it loads up, I can search. Well, it's going to bring me into his account, but let me just go back to customers. And I can search for him here. Sorry. LKA bottle. And when I come in here, if I have any additional information, so let's say that the information that I got here was from he gave me his business card, and that's how I added him. And then later on, he had additional information to add to his account. Then you click on edit, and you can always go back in here and add any information there. If you want to create a transaction for him, you just click on new transaction, and you can create invoice. You can put that you receive a payment. We will go through these things in later videos. I will show you how to create those. And the other way that you can also add a customer, if you go into any of these and you type in the name So let's go in invoice for right now. Well, oh shoot, sorry, I was not supposed to go in invoice for his name. Let me see if I go into invoices here, because the invoices here will bring up his name. But I don't want to create an invoice for LKA bottles. I want to create an invoice for a new customer. Okay, so let's let that load for a bit. And knowing that I have no internet patience at all. Okay, so new invoice. So I click on here. And as I showed you how to add it in there over there. So I click on new invoice. Okay, if it will only open up so I can show you how you can add it from there. I'm just going to show you in the invoices. Just bear with my internet, like how I have to bear with it. Okay, so as you can see, it has customer here. And if I wanted to add, let's say I wanted to add Sophie. Sophie, and I click add here, and then you click on details, and you can add, you see the same form comes up, and you can add the information here as well, and that would add her into a customer. Okay, and that goes for vendors as well, but we will go through that later. Okay, so that's it for the video today. So I close out the computer is behaving a little. I'm using a new application so that I can talk to you and you can see me. So it has my computer moving a little bit slow, but we are bearing with it. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video if you liked it. Or like it. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, press that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Well, actually, I think you have to subscribe to the channel and then press the notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. If you want to see any previous videos, it's in the description below. You can click on them and ask me any questions. So I want to end this video, and have a good day. Bye.